Hello viewers and welcome to the news information. My name is Zaki Ali Ramadan
And my name is Sophie Andrea.
and we will be accompanying you for 5 minutes forward.
We will bring you the most updated news from all around in Indonesia.
Okay, our story today is about preservation of traditional arts culture in Indonesia. Indonesia has wide variety of culture, namely ethnic culture and foreign culture. As we know it, the traditional arts in our country have begun to fade in this day and age. Traditional arts culture really needs to be preserved and developed by today's young generation, so that the culture wealth owned by Indonesia is always seen and recognized by other countries, that now many cultural arts that must be preserved and cultivated by our nation.
For example of traditional art is angklung, dagung, and traditional dance. The culture is very typical and very famous in Indonesia. A developed nation in a nation that respects its proud of its own culture. From the culture of a nation can be seen from the progress and intellectuality of its people. Indonesia, as a pluralistic nation with a variety of culture, is able to attract the attention of the world. One of the 10 cultural heritage is traditional dance art and musically instrument.
Various traditional dance adorn our country from Sabang to Merauke. Dance which later developed in an area is called traditional dance. Each region has its own characteristic for each dance, and we need to know or even learn the traditional dance that exists to help preserve Indonesian culture.
Hello, my name is Yanti. I'm here to interview one of the art teachers who teaches the traditional dance.
Yes, sure.
First, I want to know what dance is.
Each region has its own characteristic for each dance, and we need to know or even learn the traditional dance that exists to help preserve Indonesian culture. Dance is a rhythmic body movement that is done at a certain place and time for purpose, relationship, expressing, feeling, intention, and truth.
If I may know, how many kinds of dance are there?
Traditional dance is divided into 3 types of dance called, namely for the first, classical dance, 2, folk classic dance, and last, new dance creation.
What kind of dance that include in traditional dance?
Example of traditional dance: Saman dance from Aceh, Balus dance from North Sumatra, Plate dance from Western Sumatra, Makan Sirih dance from Riau, and then for the last, Jaipong dance from West Java.
In addition to traditional dance, the school also preserve other traditional art cultures such as karawitan and singing Sundani song, which have become extracurricular compulsory for all students in this school.
Hello, my name is Kalula. I'm here to interview one of the art teacher who teaches the karawitan. Are you really teacher karawitan here?
Yes, that's right.
What do you think is karawitan?
Karawitan is a vocal or instrumental sound arts that has a clarification and development from its own region.
Is it really important that traditional arts be applied in education?
Of course, because at this time, the Western country has spread to our region, and our regional culture is rarely replied by our young generation. So we try to apply this art to our school, so the art is never been forgotten.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, my name is Kamania. I want to interview one of the students in the school. Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Aldo Kalinga.
Oh, okay. What is your impression to study in this school. Are you happy with the application of traditional art as learning material?
In my opinion, traditional art in the field of learning is very important. I love this school because when I was there, I was familiar with traditional art, and I was among those who preserve a traditional art culture.
And what kind of instrument in this room?
Okay, let's go. This is saron, and this is kendang. This is bonang, and this is goong. This is peking, and this is jenglong.
Oh yeah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for watching our news information.
And see you in the next update news.